At Romaca, we have a full-scale industrial kitchen that consists of one executive chef and 3 sous chefs. Together, this team feeds about 1,000 people a day. On most days, we serve 3 full meals, cooking up to 18 items total between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. On a typical day in the Romaca kitchen, some of our 13 staff members will either work an earlier shift, so from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m., or a later shift, coming in at 9 and working till about 7. Kitchen team members are responsible for both cooking and non-cooking activities. On the cooking front, our kitchen staff is required to make items such as chocolate chip cookies, ground beef used for tacos, lasagnas, and bolognaise sauce. On the other hand, non-cooking responsibilities for kitchen staff members include washing dishes, making multiple trash runs throughout the day, and prepping salad bar items, to name a few. Within the main kitchen, Camp Romaca also has a separate kitchen and food service area to provide food for our campers and staff who have various dietary restrictions. These include, but are not limited to, food prepared for individuals who have vegan and vegetarian diets. Additionally, there are folks who have more serious food allergies, such as celiac, or those who are negatively affected by consumption of dairy, gluten, soy, and more. Although work in the kitchen is incredibly demanding, by the end of the summer we will have served over 80,000 meals. It's very rewarding as the food service team strives to provide safe and presentable meals for over 200 campers. In addition to our 100 staff members and other guests and friends to ensure that they have the best possible summer dining experience.